Doug Goddard. Why did I come to Ohana? Well, I got too many motorcycles. The garage was getting full. I didn't really have anywhere to work on them. So I started searching around. I live up in North Minneapolis, and there's a shop up there, but they're full with a waiting list. So I started doing some internet researching and found Ohana Motorsports and called Ron. And when I first got here, there was nobody in here. I had a shop by myself 5 years ago. So I was one of the first members. So it's been 5 years that I've been in Ohana. Well, to me, the benefit is the camaraderie, just the guys around the shop hanging out. Spent a lot of my life in the Marine Corps, just being around guys and goofing around, and was kind of missing that after I got out of the military. And I got to the shop here, and there's a bunch of good members that you can hang out with. We do breakfast, chili feeds, movie night, races on Sundays. So it's just the camaraderie of hanging out with a group of people that you have the same interest in. Well, I've always been around. I grew up working at Sinclair. So I've always been around mechanics. A lot of my buddies were working on cars. I grew up with a Camaro. But motorcycle-wise, when I got here, I thought I knew a lot until I met Doug Lofgren. And then I realized I didn't know shit.